Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ask the Doctor. Today, we're discussing a topic that's important for individuals with periods. We have a viewer question from the comment section that asks, how do I choose the right menstrual hygiene products for my needs? Selecting the right menstrual products can significantly impact your comfort and well-being during your period. Let's explore how to make the best choice. Before we dive into the specifics, let's briefly understand the different menstrual hygiene products available. Number 1. Menstrual pads. These are absorbent, disposable pads that stick to your underwear. They come in various sizes and thicknesses to suit different flow levels. Number 2. Tampons. Tampons are small, cylindrical products made of absorbent material that are inserted into the vagina. They're available in different absorbency levels. Number 3. Menstrual cups. Menstrual cups are reusable, bell-shaped devices made of medical-grade silicone or rubber. They collect menstrual fluid and are emptied, cleaned, and reused. Number 4. Panty liners. Panty liners are similar to pads but thinner and used for very light flow days or for extra protection with tampons or menstrual cups. Number 5. Cloth pads. These are reusable, eco-friendly cloth pads that can be washed and used again. They come in various sizes and designs. Now let's explore how to choose the right menstrual hygiene products for your needs. Number 1. Flow level. Consider your flow. For lighter days, panty liners or smaller pads may suffice. For heavier flow, you might need regular or maxi-size pads or higher absorbency tampons. Number 2. Comfort. Think about your comfort and preferences. Some people prefer the freedom and discreetness of tampons or menstrual cups, while others opt for the softness of pads. Number 3. Lifestyle. Consider your lifestyle. If you have an active lifestyle, tampons or menstrual cups might be more convenient. For a slower-paced life or sleep, pads or cloth pads might be preferred. Number 4. Sensitivities. If you have sensitivities or allergies, consider hypoallergenic or organic products, as these may be gentler on your skin. Number 5. Environmental considerations. If you're eco-conscious, reusable options like menstrual cups or cloth pads can significantly reduce waste. Number 6. Cost. Budget can also be a factor. Reusable products may have a higher initial cost but can save money in the long run. While these considerations can guide your choice, it's important to know when to seek advice. Number 1. Uncomfortable symptoms. If you experience discomfort, pain, or irritation with a particular product, consult a healthcare provider. You might have sensitivities or allergies. Number 2. Leakage issues. If you frequently experience leaks, it's essential to reassess your choice or technique. Consult with a healthcare provider if problems persist. In conclusion, choosing the right menstrual hygiene products is a personal decision based on your flow, comfort, lifestyle, sensitivities, environmental concerns, and budget. The right product can significantly impact your menstrual experience, so take the time to consider what works best for you. And don't hesitate to seek advice if you encounter discomfort or leakage issues. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ask the Doctor for more expert advice on reproductive health and overall well-being. Feel free to leave your questions and comments below. I'll be happy to address them in future episodes. Thank you for watching, and remember, the right menstrual hygiene product can make your period more comfortable and convenient.